Have you heard about GrooveSell and GroovePages and wonder if it's worth signing up for this free platform? Hi, my name is Martin Bödecker, and in this video I will walk you through how I made my first sales in GrooveSell. I will show you how to use this free powerful sales and affiliate platform to make sales online. Here you can see a screenshot of me of the first sale I made in GrooveSell. As you can see, this was about 4 days ago, and since I created the slides for this, I already made a couple of more sales, so you know this platform is already working. What do you need to make your first sale on GrooveSell? So it's actually pretty simple. To make your first sale online, you need an audience, you need an offer that is good enough that people will give you money, and then of course you need a way to get paid, and this is basically what GrooveSell does for you. So in this case study, I will show you the kind of offer that I created for people who wanted to sign up for GrooveSell and want to promote GrooveFunnels. So stay tuned, especially if you thinking about upgrading for GrooveFunnels, or if you just should use the free version, which is a great option for you as well. So my audience was actually the GrooveFunnels Facebook group, and here's where a lot of people wanted to know like how to use GrooveSell, how to promote GrooveFunnels and things like this. So I created a funnel, but before I even started to create a funnel in GroovePages, I basically posted this into the GrooveFunnels or Groove Digital Facebook group, and my calculation, and I compared GrooveFunnels and the full suite, the pro membership, to what you would have to pay if you were using softwares like ActiveCampaign and Teachable and Vistia and all of this. And for the offer that you're getting there, you would have to pay more than $12,000 per year. And then I just asked in the group who wanted my calculation. The next step was I set up a simple funnel in GroovePages. Here you can see the opt-in page, and as you can see, like I even launched imperfect, and this is really important if you want to make your first sale. Like for example, here you can see I had the word value 2 times there, but beside that, it's really a simple opt-in page. Here, if I click this button, a pop-up would appear, and this is my opt-in page. So the idea basically was to show people how much this offer is actually worth and why it's worth for them to upgrade to the full version of GrooveFunnels. And my main objective with this was, of course, list building. So I wanted to know, I wanted to have people on my list that are interested in GrooveFunnels and what is what is available if they upgrade through my affiliate link. So this is why I created this specific funnel. So I knew there was an audience for my for what I had to offer. I validated this in the group, and then I went out to create this funnel. And as you can see here, I got 85 visitors to the opt-in page, and about half of them converted to subscribers that I now can explain the value of GrooveSell and GrooveFunnels and all of this, just like I do in this video. And then, of course, my second objective was to create a video around this. So people actually who are looking for, how much is GrooveFunnels worth, or like something like this, how much is, what is a GroovePages or GrooveFunnels lifetime deal, that I wanted to give people the opportunity to find my video on YouTube. And as you can see here on this screenshot, I was successful with this, ranking here on number 2 and ranking on number 1 for GrooveFunnels lifetime, for GrooveFunnels lifetime deal, for GrooveFunnels pricing, for lifetime deal, number 7, even for GrooveFunnels review, even though this was not a real review of GrooveFunnels. So let me walk you through the funnel and show you how to set up everything in GrooveSell, and I think this is really interesting for you. So just we sign up, and this is the opt-in page as you saw, and then people will land on this page, and this would tell them how much is GrooveFunnels actually worth. And then here they have the option to create a new GrooveSell account. And then down on the bottom it says, do you want to use these slides to promote GrooveFunnels yourself? Save dozens of hours creating beautiful presentations yourself that you can spend on promoting GrooveFunnels. And just remember that each paid customer is worth $300 if you are on the free plan, or $600 for pro members. And then here I embedded the slides so people can scroll through them to see what they're actually getting, which makes it much easier for them to explain the value of GrooveFunnels themselves to their customers that they talk on in Facebook Messenger or per email or wherever they present this to an audience. And I think this is really valuable to have on their sites and to explain the true value of $12,000 per year. And then at the end, I also walk them through my value stack. And all of this is in GrooveFunnels branding, so it makes it really easy for them to sell GrooveFunnels to other people. And then I have a countdown timer, and then just my special offer to get these slides for $10. And then here I have a testimonial from Donna Fox, who's part of the team of Groove Digital. And I showed her the slides first, and Mike Filsame saw them, and so I just captured this short image from my Skype conversation with her, used that as a testimonial, and then I embedded my Groove sale opt-in here, or like my shopping cart here from GrooveSell. And this is basically the whole page. And as you can see here, everything is set up on GroovePages. This is what you would need to create. Like if you're getting the free GrooveSell account, this would probably say something like yourname.groovepages.com, but I have the full version, so I hosted it on groovefunnelbonus.com. But this is the opt-in page with an embedded form from Kartra, and then the opt-in and my email autoresponder is currently still hosted in Kartra. And then on the next page, you can see this is built in GroovePages, and here you see embedded YouTube video, testimonials, typically just screenshots, which makes the design a little bit easier. Another embed from my slides. And then, countdown offer. This is just text, image, and this is a real embed from GrooveSell. So this is how this would look like in GroovePages. And then if we go to my GrooveSell account, we can go here. Then you see how to set this up in GrooveSell. I hope we do not see anything that we should not see in this video, but here we can go to my product funnels, and this is where you set up everything in GrooveSell. So for example, if I want to manage my promotion tools, I would then create this. This is actually an offer that I wanted to make that I did not get around, so I really wanted to push this out into the market to have a great example for you. So I just decided to keep it as simple as possible, and this is the whole backend that you see here right now. And they even implemented that I now can go to all of these points already, but I just click save. It was just a simple product, front-end product. And then on the next page, you would set the pricing. And you have to click the pricing now and just can go to everything. This is new beef. That was not the case when I created this funnel the first time. But here are the different payment options that work right now in GrooveSell, and all of this is free, by the way. You're getting the full version of this, and a lot of more things will be coming in the next couple of weeks and months as this platform matures. So you have the option to have a trial, recurring billing at regular intervals, and then installments, and a lot of more things coming down the lines. And then here I connected PayPal, and this is what I connected here, my PayPal account, Martin Bödecker, and this is what I set up here. So you see I set up PayPal. Stripe did not work in the first iteration, so I just kept it simple and just used PayPal, but Stripe will work for sure as well. In the content section, I just set up the URLs from GroovePages that I first had. So my sales page was hosted here. The thank you page is a super simple thank you page. I did not show you that in GrooveFunnels, so I will show you that in a minute. But yeah, refund period 14 days, buffer period 7 days until I do not accept refunds anymore. Then the checkout was, as you could see, a GrooveSell hosted checkout, and the look and feel was I had my own logo here. To keep it consistent with the GrooveFunnels branding, I kept that pink, but you could also set it to blue or gray if you want to. And then the form fields you can decide. I did not want to use an express checkout, no cart abandonment yet, no tracking, and I just had the regular terms and conditions of my main website, Find Focus. So this is everything that I had here, and this is more stuff that will be coming soon. So I would have liked to create an order bump, but as the time of recording, this is not ready yet. So I just kept it simple. And then I just, the thank you page was my actual thank you page. So it was really simple. So for the fulfillment, there's currently not the option to have a downloadable file, which would have been my preferred option. But I just added a really simple download button on the thank you page. So this worked as well, and none of my customers complained. I did not set up an affiliate program for this $10 product, but this is already working. So if you wanted to use an affiliate program with GrooveSell, like this is already built into the software, because GrooveFunnels uses their own platform to sell access to GrooveFunnels, which I think is really cool. And then there's no proof section, and then this is basically everything. And then for tracking, I could paste this into GroovePages as well, and then I just hit save, and that's everything. And now we can go, and I can actually show you the thank you page, which I did not yet. So for this, I would just open this funnel here, and then I can select from this drop down, I can select my thank you page, and this is really like as basic as it can get. Simple thank you, here are your slides, and then a link with a link to download the slides, which are currently also hosted in Kartra, which is still what I use. And if you have any questions, send an email to me, and here my own terms and conditions. And this is the whole funnel. So it's just like this page is the main page, opt-in page, thank you page. Keep it really simple when you're just starting out. This platform is still evolving, and you get everything for free with your free GrooveSell account. For this, just use my link, make sure that it says like it has my affiliate ID, because you will get amazing bonuses just for signing up with my affiliate link, even for the free version. And remember, GrooveFunnels currently has the best affiliate platform and best affiliate offer that you will find online, because their offer is so good, it converts like crazy. And each customer is worth, even if you're on the free plan, each paid customer is worth $300 for you. If you have any questions, make sure to check out my affiliate marketing guide. I will link to that below this video as well, or you will see this if you sign up for GrooveSell with my affiliate link. I linked it there as well. And if you have any questions about the affiliate program, make sure you check out this guide, because here I will explain everything, how much you can make for your signups, how much the offer is worth, and what's the upsell, and everything that you really need to know about the affiliate program. I upgraded to the full version of GrooveFunnels Pro. That means even if you sign up for the free version and you recommend someone else to GrooveFunnels and he upgrades, I will get 10% affiliate commission, and this is worth almost $150 to me. And of course, if you upgrade with my bonus link to the full version of GrooveFunnels, I will get almost $600 commission, and that's why it's so important for me to rank for this on YouTube. And I highly recommend you do something the same, because this works really well right now, because the offer that Mike Filsame is putting out is just so incredible, and I just tried to make it so much better with my bonus. So make sure you check out the other video that I created. So if you want to check out the funnel that I've built, go to groovefunnelbonus.com/valuestack, or if you want to see my amazing offer, my amazing bonuses for GrooveFunnels, just go to groovefunnelbonus.com. Here I laid out this amazing killer bonus, as somebody called this. Other people said, hi Martin, I do regret not buying from you as you're so helpful. So I'm really trying to focus on GrooveFunnels right now to help you and make sure that you get the most out of this amazing software, and that's why I decided to build all of this already on GrooveFunnels. So what you would need to do is create a new account for GrooveSell, and then if you just want to use the free version, that's cool as well. You can join our mastermind group and on Facebook, but you will also get a lot of really cool bonuses, and I highly recommend you check out the slides that I sold here, and sign up for my funnel as well, just to see what's already possible in GrooveFunnels. So I hope you liked this short video, and I'm looking forward to serving you more on Facebook, here on YouTube, and please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because I will be publishing a lot more about GrooveFunnels here in the future. Have a great day and stay safe.